Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install or how to download Tapswap in your mobile. So I don't waste your time, just follow my instruction. Okay friends, so at first you should open a Telegram channel, then you have to follow the description. You have to go to the description of my video. There are a link. You just click on my link, you can join directly in this application. Okay, after joining you just open a one screen interface like that is a Tapswap. Okay, and there you can just do like tap this and you get the point, and you can say this is the crypto coin. Okay, so at first you have to join through my link which is present in the description box, then you directly redirect it to the this type of main screen. Okay friends, so this is the main procedure. Okay friends, we will meet in next video. Tata, bye bye.